In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumroad to your automation tool with a webhook. Before we jump in, here's the big picture. A webhook is a simple internet address your automation tool gives you so Gumroad can instantly notify it when something happens, like a new sale or a refund. Instead of you checking manually, Gumroad pings that address with the details, and your automations can run right away. So the goal is to copy that webhook URL from your automation platform and place it in the correct spot inside Gumroad. First, make sure you already have a webhook URL generated by your automation tool, such as Make, Pabbly, or N8N. Every platform labels it slightly differently, but it will look like a secure link that starts with HTTPS. Keep it handy on your clipboard. If your tool provides multiple URLs, use the one specifically meant to receive webhooks. A quick tip, copy the entire URL exactly as provided, without extra spaces or characters, so there's no chance of an error. Next, head over to your Gumroad dashboard. We're going to place that URL where Gumroad expects it. From the main dashboard, open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced section. Gumroad sometimes organizes settings into tabs or sections, so give it a moment to load and then scroll through the options until you find the area labeled Ping. Gumroad calls its webhook feature Ping, so that's where you'll paste your link. Once you find Ping, click into the field where the webhook URL belongs and paste the link you copied from your automation tool. Double check it for any accidental spaces at the beginning or end. If you're switching from an older URL, be sure you replace it entirely so Gumroad sends notifications to your new address. Now click Update Settings to save your changes. This is important. Pasting the URL isn't enough until you hit Update Settings. Once saved, you're done on the Gumroad side. From this point on, when the relevant events occur on your Gumroad account, Gumroad will ping that URL and your automation tool will receive the data it needs to run your workflows. If you don't immediately see the ping section, make sure you're in the correct account and that you're looking under Advanced Settings. Some interfaces can shift slightly over time, but the ping area is the place to look. That's all it takes. You obtained the webhook URL from your automation tool, navigated to Gumroad's settings, opened Advanced, scrolled to ping, pasted the URL, and clicked Update Settings. Simple, clear, and effective.